After the unfortunate defeat against WAC of Morocco, Kumasi Asante Kotoko for the next game. It will be against WAC of Morocco. Game no menya in TSA betimaba so Friday and as a Sunday, but the whole detail, but bro. Now, here are the 11 reasons it's a Kotoko games. No, we are tactically, and the from the last person to the last reason. The reason just I'm taking to lose this particular game. Yeah, explore the fear. Send me a bear. There be a same way. And 24 taka. Obi wu nani pano yakoye postmortem and yen the fekeke. And as I just doctors not to omuni adwumaye. And don't take yakoye postmortem no. The reason why it's a postmortem and they say you're finding out the reason, the cause of the death, so that it will be prevented the next time. Say wait, say the cool. Say you be a doctor for the be research. No more they are prevented would be. Say you be a nipa be suya basically because would the end beba. They mo no eboa nhihwemu ama nhihwemu ye dey accurate. Enra Kotoko elusu fie to WAC of Morocco, and it was the first time in the history of WAC of Morocco for the Baby Winnie game waha. And a Kotoko so elusu waha and the only time is see now your cook game holistically. And social media after the game ko amanfo bo Camara chi. Nemo muno de bia mekasa asemba Super 24 TV I say the nya abotre ehwe nsem holistically, technically, and standing a kabi. Sa enye Camara, ngaze metwa ngaze Kotoko free. Camara ball or then sako boom or outside the box a ball no anko to atine no or sacrificing no for Kotoko not to concede 2 goals e wo fie. Nemo no yedu ambia omo hebo a yehu ani kro omo de hwe no e blame Camara say Camara cause Kotoko. How then can you say Camara cause Kotoko? I didn't tell us say Camara cause Kotoko. Defenders now mujina hoye hwe han ma ye ball no ebe ma akwa no etape ball na nke koto net no. No mo ye den. Enti Camara de enra o sacrifice no ho for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Enye issue of wa cause Kotoko. On cause Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yen kan yen chire. That's my dear Bakwa prerequisites that never said be the 2. And the second prerequisite, me person me can was second preamble, person me can was a manzani according 11 reasons. It just Santiago to go lose game, no, and they and right poor game, no. A man for say be here, former captain, Richard Wodu Agaras, or Santiago to compete for you because not to call like Bibisa, the board Bibisa. And a man for who they say, see Yana, Ebeboye, especially African campaign, and rap bono, Unkofona ye way ahead, or my relaxing a bobona pressure way so. And I hear Roshi game. Nijina, the 11 reasons no ever explode Nijina. The patrol, what I heard now subscribe here. And see if you know I hit the rest subscriber to know about them also. Now you build it together. Information will be a say. Yen chance seminal. The number 1 reason where it is in no particular order. Yeah, she said 1, 2, 3, but it is in no particular order. Say reason way and a super if you are we neighbor a numbering keke. So the kind into Kotoko lose game it's very the game you know. The first reason, not in an orderly manner, but number 1, the government. Because the government, I'm saying, Kotoko, and the WAC and the Ebo, Kotoko home venue, Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Border Kotoko Bono, and your Kotoko now organize the work for the same Mumbrani Mbo, Nakaf and my stadium approval. Kotoko bought in the name of Ghana. Ekoba say Kotoko qualify for Confederation Cup no. Ghana aban ani obia enye hu bibia say Ghana aban ama Kotoko sika jo mama mo ama Kotoko sika. Na emom no sanka ye Black Star na ebo crucial game ena wo se yenka ye bo ne baba yara. Nka na de baba yara hia bia no. Nka ye de baba yara. Ama baba yara meet the standard of CAF. Sene ye be ya ball ran konkran. Kotoko ball na ye boy na e konkran no. Government na amwa ba ku sei. Yes scoreboard, yes dugout, yes pitch, yes washrooms, yes day Wi-Fi, yes day safe zone. Government machinery e betima provided. Nanka baba yara meet the standard. And so abai ni yinani because enya blasters. At the ground America enya abai na adwuma necessarily, but sanka ye blasters a nka abai no e be ye involved. Abai adentina waye Kotoko sa. Number 2, NSC4 no amwa. NSC4 enu ahwe stadium attendance. Metima ka say na ye be 40%. Nka Kotoko bobo no baba yara sports stadium a NSC muna mo prepare stadium no muna mo ye the managers of the stadium enti edie nso na mo ye ya baba yara entimi MET stadium da ye je ya yi no MTN FA Cup na ko be 4 months e dey who say Kotoko be bobo e wo heva baba yara Confederation Cup NSC 40 na ye say enye issues of much importance it onu so when me and go deeper to ensure say baba yara dey e be meet the standard. Obi say we no say come the Kotoko ba first. Ye to so be answer the third reason Asante Kotoko club no. Ye je MTN FA Cup ni enim say e baba yara e dey boy e mum no baba yara no enye ne manage. Nti e dey na wo say ye. E wo say nka ho na e na nka wo say nka ye sha ase e ma pressure. Na mum no ye sha ase ma pressure ne da bai. Na anu ya ka be 1 month ama games na ba so no e na ye koye baba yara. And also ye phone so na in a different day at the Kronta Kotoko here in the stadium ne beba so enti untimi nyu Kotoko nsum free. The third reason Kotoko kan ho. Number 4, supporters leadership. Asante Kotoko say you management ni free wa the supporters leaders and na obeka say omo run club no supporters leadership no ye kan ewo otumfo say tutu say club no e supporters ne dia. It is say your leaders, supporters leaders are ye very vibrant and ye pushy and baba yara e betimi MET standard. Nanki abobo no o baba yara. Number 5. Kubasa Asante Kotoko technical team afi ye wura game no. Kotoko technical team no on the day they got so many things wrong. Technical team no got their decisions wrong. Yes. Work for no technical team no beat Kumasi Asante Kotoko technical team no. Me person me blame me coach Karim Zito enti am the technical team no. Technical team no omo doso. E kwan ya ni player kasa game way the way obeti cycle no. The way I see e call game no mu no. Me starting 11 me hu na me convince. Inusa started ball no as number 7 winger. And now unya go be na but unya clear chance then side decision ni nyina no. I was saying technical di AAB be found. Second half I was saying Philip Amubem. Donzo ne bem. Ni nyina decisions are the technical team no e make key to me which is they got it wrong. Me person make as they go. Number 6 reason players no would be new move free. The playing body, especially the attitude. Yes, a work game ni was so work game ni was so. Then just say, "Bona sa urosi bebre na hu aprel." Kotoko nke betima frustrate omo. Once a more ball in the first 15 minutes, na Kotoko pressure omo pa. The fact that we pressure the panel say, I was a woman who pro. Someone who pro, you commit errors. And the clear example about this one I'm making is the player Inusa Adams. I am a good player, but with a moment money. When a clear scoring opportunity, Everton and Nima wasn't called tapping ball in. No, a tapping ball out. No one there preno. I didn't say also man who pro. So pressure the panel, you can pressure the person without necessarily being in a rush. Now war rush bro, so now video or committing mistakes. Game on mobile no relax cry. I don't game plan so the players, the attitude. You can say and no attention for attention for name no the no. Sa when ya but na say gidi ya obey mfonso obey rush obey mistake and no be the two players in the first half. Because Kotoko reaction also go say first half there was an ke twom 1-0. Was like first half by first half they twom 1-0. It's players also enjoy mo number 6 reason no. Number 7 reason ball na ya ball in kind no. Home away from home no. It affects us and Kotoko. And now ya have ball including a man almost schedule. I say ball and Baba Yara and Kotoko the 12 man the best ball Kotoko. Home away from home. And they come ball in crime. The supporter stadium man chia mroso me kai Kotoko ne toa mo nan say Kotoko ne Kadiogo Kotoko Masa stadium chia broso. But home away from home. Kutia Kotoko. Number 8. Kumasa Sante Kotoko. Game plan. I say game plan I did call game no. A BT no. Ni any alternative. Ye game plan I did call game no. A BT we any alternative. I don't know it's got to do with the players and the technical team. Number 9. Referee no. Number 9 reason say lose game no referee no. They be ameka say officiating. Yen ka say yen go twa bribe ma referee no. Na mom na nra ball na ye hwe no. Na referee no we fair too much. Nti 50-50 balls bi okra no oditia Asante Kotoko. Yen ka say operations nye enuro ene mpaibon nko a operation woni referee kasa ye na chese wase wo home team no wanya advantage kakra in the eyes of the referee no. Sometimes our good operation team a wo betim ne referee na ye sa anwoma ni nyina enti ogira park no so onim say oka bi ma kakra oka bi but eno na referee no slightly na ojeje balls bi ma nkofo no meanwhile na ye bo home enti referee officiating the 9th reason. And the 10th reason make an wasem no operations team. Operation teams no. They say they na make an Kotoko need to step up on operations. Operations enye nuro operations enye mpaibo. Operations enya yankofa koma wembra yankoto drinks enchenko but operations eka ka fofo no the wa uni ombesi align so well so that on the day you have at least if not level playing grounds in terms of officiating, you will have at least slightly ahead of the opponents. Kotoko needs to work on the operations. Our operations were weak. Yamaya call mpaibo no so too much. Wabompire no wabompire into the akane quality operations. No man getting referee no benya na nim favors kakra. You know tabo ya wonya ya. Those who offside slightly, operations yet tight those days obi se ma frequency advantage. Say go yi na ni kra na nka ye adiatica no. But referee no, I said ball now what do you know who be a menka say unko twa right, but sometimes we press here adwuma otimi bu na ni gu nyoma bi so. Camara die go betima bu na ni agu so. So operations enye limited to paibo any nuru. Now the 11th reason me metna YouTube so encantro. The 11th reason and no very important work for no the team work of Morocco team no were ahead of Asante Kotoko. Their team is a compact team and they were ahead of Asante Kotoko. Their team is well shaped, well conditioned, than Asante Kotoko team. So we game now was relaxing. I said, oh, ko Accra. Now we take a kit to a beam. Now we just giddy what they are told last. Na lanku sebi wabe yafan or the bed year 2 and as a year 3 per yafan. It was the case study. And I say, yeah, pretty, but no more relaxing. And no move fire home. Boko. So their team is way ahead of our team. Never, bro. The fact that their team is way ahead of our team, bro, doesn't mean say you know more about twice you know more match home and away. Football no entisa. The fact that when na boy na wahu no. So we on your my not this 11 reasons. You hweni ya. Asante Kotoko can get Nyoma was here year out of this 11 reasons. No, you say stadium time to nchen ye kwa away, but the akabi was here no see ye we can get a 2-1 win our Morocco next week to qualify as Asante Kotoko. We can get 2-1 win the same way I call Nigeria echo win away. We can also go to Morocco and win there and qualify.